why eating the same breakfast every day can be good for you. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, they say. But what about a plate of eggs or a cup of yogurt as your breakfast on a daily basis? While breakfast on repeat may sound boring, filling your tummy with the same thing each morning can actually make you a better person. You'll have more free time. How many minutes, or maybe even hours, does it take you to decide on what to eat for breakfast? While it may seem like part of your day-to-day routine, deciding on something can actually take a lot more of your time than you might realize. You allow your brain to think of more important things. Have you ever wondered why Steve Jobs always wore a black turtleneck or why Mark Zuckerberg usually sticks to a gray color palette? It's because it makes them more productive. Not having to think of what to wear for the day or what to eat for breakfast allows your mind to concentrate on the more important things and the list of things that need to get accomplished during the day. Your body never misses its first dose of nutrients. If your go-to breakfast is a bowl of hearty oatmeal, a simple omelette, or a cup of fresh fruit, you're energizing your body with the good stuff. These examples of nutrient-packed breakfasts are a great way to start the morning, and they can help you power through a long day, which can't always be said about a morning cup of joe or a bowl of sugary cereal. You might be able to shed a few pounds. Research has revealed that eating the same food each day can actually help you lose weight. When you have the same thing every meal, you have more control over what you're putting into your body, so you avoid spikes in sugars and fats, which can ultimately bring down your calorie intake and body weight. Your food expenses will be lighter. If breakfast is oatmeal, all you need to spend money on is oats, milk, and a bit of sweetener. Knowing what you'll eat each day of the week allows you to make a more exact grocery list, which, according to experts, is the key to staying on budget at the grocery store. You'll not only be able to control your expenses, but you'll notice that without so many options in your pantry,